Is your Tesla app not showing the correct battery percentage? You're not alone. This is a common issue stemming from a few key factors. Your Tesla entering sleep mode to conserve energy, network connectivity problems disrupting data flow, or occasional app glitches that prevent real-time updates. Let's dive into understanding these reasons and how to address them. To maximize battery life, Teslas automatically enter a low-power sleep mode after about 15 to 30 minutes of inactivity. This sleep mode prioritizes energy efficiency by reducing the vehicle's power consumption. While in sleep mode, the car's connectivity to external networks is significantly reduced. This means the Tesla app on your phone can only access cached or outdated battery percentage data, rather than receiving real-time updates from the vehicle. The app relies on a secure connection to pull current battery state information, but sleep mode interrupts this communication. As a result, you might see an old battery percentage that doesn't reflect the current charge level. The first step to force a battery refresh is to wake up your Tesla, which restores full connectivity and allows the app to sync with the latest data. A stable internet connection is crucial for the Tesla app to communicate with your vehicle. Check your phone's cellular or Wi-Fi signal strength. If the connection is weak, try switching to a stronger network. Remember, the app relies on MQTT protocol for data streaming. Interruptions in this protocol lead to inaccurate information. Consider testing the app on different networks to see if it resolves the issue. The quickest fix is often a force refresh of the Tesla app. On most phones, this can be done by pulling down on the screen within the app or completely closing and restarting the app. This clears any cached data and forces the app to request the latest battery information from your Tesla. Don't underestimate this simple solution. If the Tesla app is still not updating the battery percentage, try manually waking up your vehicle. This forces the car to reconnect and send the latest data. You can wake the car by sending commands through the app, such as honking the horn or flashing the lights. These actions require the vehicle to wake from sleep mode. Open the Tesla app and look for the controls section. Here you can select options like honking the horn or flashing the lights to wake the vehicle. Alternatively, open the Tesla app and select the climate control option. This accesses the car's heating or cooling systems, which requires the vehicle to wake up and reconnect to the network. Any of these app commands will force the Tesla to wake up, reconnect to the network, and send the most current battery information to your phone. If force refreshing doesn't resolve the battery update issue, try clearing the app's cache or data as a deeper solution. This removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts with the Tesla app's connection to your vehicle. On Android devices, navigate to your phone's settings, then go to Apps and Notifications, find the Tesla app, tap on Storage and Cache, and select Clear Cache or Clear Storage if needed. On iOS devices, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the Tesla app. Press and hold the app icon, tap Remove App, confirm the deletion, then reinstall from the App Store and sign in again. Remember, after clearing data or reinstalling the app, you will need to sign in to your Tesla account again to restore full functionality. Ensure the Tesla app has all necessary permissions enabled in your phone's settings, including location services for accurate battery updates. Check both iOS and Android settings menus. Also, verify you're using the latest version of the Tesla app. Older versions are often unsupported and more prone to errors. Tesla frequently releases updates that improve app performance and fix bugs, so keeping it up to date is essential. If battery update issues continue after trying basic troubleshooting, remember that Tesla is constantly improving the app. The upcoming V13 software update, expected in mid-2026, will bring better integration between the app and vehicle firmware, including predictive battery alerts and smoother syncing. Trends show a move toward AI-powered diagnostics that can automatically fix connectivity problems. With advances like 5G networks and edge computing, app lags could drop below 5% by 2027. In the meantime, utilize Tesla's support forums for community solutions and reach out to customer service for personalized assistance.